Joining us this morning is Governor Eugenio Bong Lacson sa aton nga linya. Gov, Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas sa akin Art at sa mga pumuluyo or mga radio listeners mo. Mayang aga sa inyo kanan.
Salamat gid sa time, Gov. No, maki-update lang kami pero antes na Gov, ano ginang klaro nga instruction from DSWD? And in fact, doon nakamuno si President Duterte nga do may adjustment from 30,000 to last time nga ginmuno niya. Doon nagnubo subong Gov ang ipanghatag sa mga nahalitan.
Ang latest from NHA, National Housing Assistance, mahatag sila emergency housing assistance, is 5,000. So, para lang siya sa mga partially damaged natin ng mga balay.
Okay.
Because kung totally damaged ka and you will avail of the 5,000, next year, hindi ka naka-avail for totally damaged.
Oh, okay.
So, unahon na lang natin ang partially damaged. And by the way, we don't even know kung sila ang mahatag ng NHA for the province of Negros Occidental for this month, no, or for the year ending 2021. If you compute it, ang aton mga partially or damaged or totally damaged houses, dili na lang ta sa low end, no, meaning the usual pala 5,000 for partially, 10,000 for totally damaged. Maabot ni mga around 1.3 billion pesos.
Grabe.
No? So, you could imagine that's only Negros Occidental. What about the other provinces, no? So, amo na, NHA, I met with NHA last week and we're expecting na lang some help, no, from them. Hopefully this week maklaro na kung pilagid. And whatever amount we will be of course distributing. I know na after we distribute damo ni reklamo, of course damo reklamo because I don't think they can cover 1.3 billion pesos, no? I don't think they can give us 1.3 billion pesos. So magdepende lang din ni sa amount na mahatag nila and ang recipient bali depende na rin sa validation, no? This is where the PSWD will come in, the city and municipal social or MSWD and CSWD will come in, no? So I hope na ang mga listahan nila is ready and also validated. So just in case na we can receive some money this week, we can also distribute it.
Yes. Okay, siling ko gani, ginlantaw ko ang inisyal nga nagdangat dis Negros Occidental sa aton nga PDR mo, ang kadamuon sang mga nahalitan palang kag ang total no nga mapuloy-an is almost 256 or more than 256,000 ni, pero 56,000 out of it is totally destroyed, no? Kag mga 200,000 plus man ang partially damaged. Can you imagine kung mo natagan mo budget to, no?
Correct, no? So, it is never enough. So, the local government units also, depending also sa balance nila sa nila calamity fund, can also chip in, no? The province, I already announced it before that we were able to find 50 million, which we are buying corrugated and flat strips, no? So this will again be a concerted effort between the national, the provincial, and the local government unit, no?
Okay.
We're end of the year, definitely nubo na din yung budget, but the new year naman is next week, no? So I believe we can still touch our calamity fund, no, because we are still under state of calamity.
Okay. Now, you were able to visit Southern Negros, especially Sipalay City last week, no, before the Christmas day. Anong latest nga sitwasyon nila dito, Gov? Kag I understand may mga gindala kapag gingadugang ayuda o food tax para sa ila.
Actually, the food packs came from Miss Chris Aquino, no? Well, she personally gave it to me, so I thought it was my responsibility to deliver. So, and I called Mayor Gina Lizares, and she was all too willing to accept it, together with 100 smart SIM card, no, and some water. I delivered it sa City Hall, and I visited the operation center where you can see naman no, the things that the local government unit of Sipala is doing. And makita naman I think they're on top of the situation. But the needs are all the same, no? The needs are all the same: food, water, and unfortunately, ang Southern Negros, because it was really badly hit, no, by Odette. Ang power nila medyo madugayan pa rin ma-restore, no?
Okay.
But electric co-ops from Iloilo and also from our end here from the north are sending their men, no, to help augment the manpower of Noseco. Because I was told that there are 200 main poles, no, na natumba. No? So, this will tell you kung ano pa din, no, how much work needs to be done, no, to restore energy there. I feel na kung ma-restore natin ng energy, mas madasig ang normalization, no, sa ating mga biktima.
Okay.
So, for Noneco naman, which is Northern Negros, ang Calatrava, San Carlos na lang sa bukid, ang wala pa na-energize. But I talked to Attorney Dan, General Manager, sabi niya baka mga 1 more week, fully restored na, no, ang Noneco. And I think the same thing also with Simeco, no, mga dali na lang ni siya.
Okay.
So we hope na more manpower, no, can be sent to Southern Negros.
Okay. Now, kundi ang sentro daw si Pala hinubaan ni Ilog nga masami ginadulungan sa mga food packs. How about hinubaan ang Kandunigo? Mayara man ginatag sa ila kag I understand daw ang naligan ng concern nila to kay dong iban daw ay pakalabot kuno dito mga food packs pero may mga delivery man nga nagalin sa province.
Of course meron, no. All mayara na. In fact, from VP Lenny, I understand there's 100 bags, no?
Okay.
There's another 100 bags also that was sent to Hinubaan, rice, no? And of course, the province, we immediately sent food packs, no, to both Hinubaan and Kanduni.
Aha. Finally, kabalo kita medyo malawig-lawig pa ma-restore ang power and of course, ang supply sa tubig nga dependent man lang sa kuryente ang ila sini nga mga reservoir dila kag iban pagid nga para magmayo ang pressure. So anong mensahe mo sa ilago especially sini nga New Year celebration kag iban way pagid ya gyapon makapatukod balik sa ila pruyan kag way kuryente?
Well, first of all, no, we will try our best to try to give as much assistance and as fast as we can, no. You know, just like the president said, we apologize also for the response of the government. That's how it is, no, with government as far as releases of money. But then again, we will never leave them behind. And I would like to thank, you know, it is not only the government who's helping. There's so many individuals, organizations, government agencies that are, you know, exerting a lot of effort and sending as much aid. No? Even the church, they're also sending a lot as much aid as they could, no, for our victims. No? So, again, no, we wish it was faster, but rest assured, no, that they will not be left behind. No? We will continue to help them until such time that they can go back to their normal life.
Aha. On that note, Governor Lacson, sir, salamat gid sa time kag sa liwat advance Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Thank you.
Action Hotline.
Ang gobernador sa probinsya, Governor Eugenio Jose Lacson, kay